Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone. This is Donna and John's equipment from New York, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Donna has a note with this unit, and Mickey's animation is so slow it's barely moving. And when Mickey talks, you can barely understand what Mickey is saying. So what we want to do is troubleshoot the main PC board. We also want to troubleshoot the gear cluster and the servo. We're going to go ahead and get some still pictures of Mickey. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with the repair of this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. Now, our issues were located in the gear cluster and the servo, and so those issues were resolved. Now, we also want to mention our amplified pickup. We use this in troubleshooting, repairing, and on our final checkouts. It's amplified so that you can hear the audio from a receiver. And I have an amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it, and when I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. Now what we can do is use the demo button, and if we press the demo button, Mickey has a bunch of cool sayings, so we'll go ahead and let that play out.
Oh boy, a phone call! Gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you. Well, what do you know? It's for you. Hiya, pal. You got a phone call.
Now what we can do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, and we'll just go ahead and let it go through its cycle one time, and we'll give you some dial tone.
Well, what do you know? It's for you.
We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. I'm going to end in a 2. We want to hang up. give you some dial tone. We'll hit redial. The analyzer will read out the numbers and end in a 2. Now we want to go ahead and transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello? Hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that Mickey is going through his animation on the demo button and when a ring cycle comes in, we can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can go ahead and call a time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
The time and temperature is coming up after this. To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Friday, June 22nd. The current time, 9:42 p.m. and the temperature, 72 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang our handset up. Now what we can do is switch back over to our analyzer, and we'll go ahead and ring Mickey again, and we'll let him go through a couple of cycles.
Hiya, pal. You've got a phone call. Oh, boy, a phone call. Gee, I wonder who it could be. It's for you.
And we'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this really cool animated Mickey Mouse telephone has been repaired, we can return them to Donna and they can enjoy this telephone once again. I'm sure Mickey's going to look great no matter where he's used. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.